Japanese mechanics tear down engines at 300,000 miles, and what they keep finding is unsettling. Same engine, same oil, same maintenance. One engine looks almost new inside, the other is worn out and dying. The difference? It's not the oil, it's the filter, and most drivers get this completely wrong. Because here's the truth, your oil filter decides what stays out of your engine and what gets ground through it. So let's break this down fast, no fluff, just what actually matters. Filter number 8, Fram Extra Guard. This is the orange filter you've seen everywhere. It's cheap, it's everywhere, and yeah, it works, but only under very specific conditions. If you're changing your oil every 3,000 miles with conventional oil, this filter is fine. But the moment you pair it with synthetic oil and stretch the interval, it starts working against you. The media is basic and lets smaller where particles pass through, the exact particles that slowly destroy bearings over time. So ask yourself, are you saving a few dollars now? Or paying for engine wear later? Buyer rule: use it only for short intervals, never for extended synthetic oil changes. Filter number 7, Purolator Classic. This looks like an upgrade, and it is, but not by as much as people think. Better construction and better filtration, but still designed for normal service intervals. Push it too far and the filter loads up. When that happens, the bypass valve opens and unfiltered oil flows straight into your engine. Think about that, you're running clean oil, but dirty oil is bypassing the filter entirely. Buyer rule: solid for standard oil changes, don't stretch it. Filter number 6, Bosch Filtec. Now things start getting interesting. Better materials, better durability, and a silicone anti-drainback valve. That valve keeps oil from draining out when your car sits. If it fails, your engine starts dry and those first seconds cause real wear. Over thousands of starts, that damage adds up. This filter handles that well, not perfect at the smallest particle level but strong overall. Buyer rule: one of the best value filters for solid, everyday protection. Filter number 5, KN and N Pro Series. Built for performance, but not how most people think. It prioritizes oil flow over ultrafine filtration. That's intentional for high-performance engines that need volume, but it may allow slightly more fine particles compared to tighter filters. So what does your engine need, daily driving or performance? Buyer rule: great for high-flow setups, but you're partly paying for the brand. Filter number 4, Mobile 1 Extended Performance. Now we're in premium territory. High efficiency, strong build, designed for long intervals. On paper, it looks perfect. But here's the detail: you're also paying for the name. Internally, it shares similarities with filters that cost less. That doesn't make it bad, but the performance gap isn't as big as the price suggests. Buyer rule: excellent filter, but not always the best value. Filter number 3, Fram Ultra Synthetic. Same brand, completely different level. This is built for long intervals with strong construction and high efficiency. Most drivers make the mistake of assuming all filters from one brand are equal. They're not. This one competes with top-tier filters and often wins on value. Buyer rule: high performance at a very reasonable price. Don't confuse it with cheaper versions. Filter number 2, Amsoil EA Oil Filter. Engineered for maximum protection. Advanced synthetic media, extremely high efficiency, and built for long service life. But here's the nuance: some users notice slightly slower oil pressure on cold starts. It's small, but in cold conditions it matters. Overall, this is one of the most advanced filters available. Buyer rule: ideal for extended intervals and maximum engine protection. Filter number 1, Royal Purple Extended Life. This one surprises people. It doesn't dominate one category, it dominates balance. Strong filtration, excellent construction, consistent cold start performance, and no real weaknesses. Real-world driving isn't one condition, it's everything. This filter handles all of it. Buyer rule: one of the most complete, well-rounded filters you can buy. So what's the real takeaway? Simple. Your oil filter matters just as much as your oil. Not all filters from the same brand are equal. And if you're running premium oil with a cheap filter, you're wasting money. What oil filter are you running right now? And more importantly, did you choose it or just grab whatever was on the shelf? Because the difference between a clean engine at 300,000 miles and one that fails early often comes down to something this small.